Go ahead.
Yeah, we're going to install a mailbox in front of the house. So what you need is the tools to install the mailbox, which is a post hole digger.
Yeah, we didn't film that part. We didn't film the part of him drilling a hole though.
And the post hole automatic digger. This is what save you time on your job. And you need a hole in the ground 24 inches long.
Okay. And
then you need the pole.
Well, you're talking about that one.
Yeah, the post hole digger. This is when you got to do it manually, by hand. Dig your hole in the ground, 24 inches. That's 2 feet. And place a 4x4 into the 2-foot hole. The 4x4 should be at least 60 to 50 to 60 inches long. Take the base of the mailbox, install it over the post with the screws pointing to your right.
Yeah, the screws go right there. Yeah.
And then you'll need a drill and your screws to go into the post.
Okay, here's the action parts. This is where the action starts right here. There you go.
Where's the level at?
Right there. Right there. See up here?
This is to keep your pole level. Drill your screws in to where the bubble is in the middle.
Okay.
Now insert the rest of the screws.
The two up there.
All right, now you insert the plate which holds the mailbox. And then insert your screws
Okay.
on the side.
Did you leave those on the car?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
The instructions for the mailbox so you won't make no errors.
Yeah.
Now we insert the screws. Replace the part number C.
Okay. Okay, put this down.
Okay, 2 on this side.
Okay, take 2. Okay.
And 2 on the left side.
Okay. Cool.
Which will allow the box to be sturdy.
Yeah.
And now we will
Now you gotta get the
place
top
the
part.
box.
Okay.
Install the box. screws.
Okay. Coming together. Okay. You got a wrench?
We get the socket kit and use my socket, which are faster.
Okay.
Okay, we don't have that.
They need a socket for it.
Okay, let's go get the socket set.
Okay. Yeah, he's gonna go get the socket set. Oops. Oh shoot.
You can buy a socket set at Home Depot for all sizes for your wrenches and your sockets.
Yeah. After this, man, people be wanting you ask for your autograph when you go in the grocery store, you know. What are you gonna charge them for your autograph?
Oh, that's free.
Oh, it's gonna be free? Okay.
We want the people to save money at home. You know, when you need to save money,
Yeah.
you do it yourself. It's not really hard.
Yeah.
See,
Okay, now
that was too.
it's probably, is it 13? I think it might be 13 millimeter. Is that half inch?
This is 3/8 here.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
3/8.
Okay.
3/8 sockets wrench. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we pick up the head for that.
There you go, right there. That 3/8 right.
Insert the socket wrench on there.
Yeah.
Take the drill bit, pop it out, pop it in, you're ready to go.
Yeah. I know my camera work ain't gonna be all that great.
That's good enough.
That'd be good enough. Huh?
We just want to help the people out.
Help people out, yeah.
Now we insert the screws. Probably gonna need a wrench on these sides here
Yeah.
because what we do.
Yeah, so you said it's a 3/8.
Yeah.
I'm out around the house to get a 3/8 wrench right fast. Yeah, so the screws go on the bottom.
Huh?
I'm just saying, you got the hole lined up. There you go.
Okay, we line the hole up, then we'll put the screw on there.
Yeah. Just had to run in the house. He says 3/8.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to run in the house probably later.
Get a little wrench and then we'll tighten them up. And then we'll be through.
Oh, shoot. Go on the sides right here. Right there. You dropped it. Okay. And just tighten those up, and then put the door on.
And we're done.
Yeah. So take a Phillips screw head on the outside, and you said it's 3/8.
3/8.
3/8 wrench on the other side. Yeah. I had to run in the house and get that. So. And do the other side. You're gonna pop the door on now.
Yeah. Good to have now, Chet. Good to have fingers like mine so small. If your husband's fingers too big, you out of luck. You need to buy the wrench set.
Yeah. How many years you been doing carpenter work?
About 52 years.
Okay.
But I'm still young. I'm only 74 years old.
Yeah, he's 74 years young. Are you still a bachelor?
Yep.
Okay, he's a bachelor, so, all you 90-year-old women, you get you a young hunk here.
Yeah. Y'all need love too. Okay then.
Yeah. We'll get in. Probably get this video, man. We'll keep going. So. Yep, so that's how you do it.
And voila.
Bam, now you should pop the door on. And that'd be it. We'll have to run in the house to get a wrench. So
we'll tighten it all up. See, it's pretty sturdy.
Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. Okay.
It says approved by the Postmaster General.
Okay, it's approved. So yeah. Is there something that go in there?
Mm-hmm.
Gotta be some kind of little tabs or something.
Yeah, it's right there. We got all the tools, all the equipment you need.
Yeah, it came with the mailbox. Oh shit.
Snap-in pins.
Yeah. Did you go on the outside or the inside? Because that one wasn't.
Go on the outside.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's on the inside. Huh?
That's what I said. This goes on the inside of the box.
Okay, well, they got to come out then.
Yeah.
Oh,
How bad to do? I go on the outside, I guess.
You got to go on the outside.
Yeah.
So don't go in there tight.
Okay.
Pop that in. There you go. Yeah. Don't want to pop it in.
Don't want to pop it into the bin. There you go.
Yeah, you that button. Okay.
Ready to go.
You did 1, 2, 3. You're just having the post hole diggers, or you gonna run it.
Until your problem.
Yeah, you gotta have that.
And your mailbox is finished.
Okay. So this is just,
You got mail.
you got mail. So this is mailbox installation with Roy Barnes. There we go, right there.